Here with a new pre-analysis for London and New York. Tomorrow is Friday, and as you guys already know, I don't trade on Fridays, but I'm just here to complete my quick doing pre-analysis because I bet that some of you guys trade on Fridays. I used to, but I don't anymore. Hopefully, for the better. Even though last week the price had a good price action and the price even provided me two setups, but I didn't take it because it was Friday. But it's fine. I'm just gonna keep avoiding, trading on Fridays. For the moment, I think is for the better. So the first thing that I wanna mention is that today I didn't take anything. I wanted to take sales from there, but the price never mitigated that line that you guys can see right there. The price never mitigate that line. So the entry was never created for me. The reaction was there, but my entry wasn't pretty much. So, what I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. In general, I see the price reacting back, going back down from this whole area, from this whole range right here. But it's also possible the price is gonna manipulate that high right there, and it's not gonna extend. And if it doesn't, the price may start creating a structure to the downside. Once again, respecting the higher time frame mitigation that I've been talking about for the past weeks. Mm, so yeah, it would be pretty much following the actually lower time frame structure that we have here. Okay, so I want to mention also that it would make completely sense if the price decides to keep going up to form the entry from the range, or if it wants to keep going up to form that entry from that range. Okay, I don't have the drawings there, but it's possible the price at the end decides to reach that level, and it's possible to see sales opportunities up there. But I'm just gonna focus here because this is where we are right now. Okay, about the buys. If the price goes back down to mitigate this range, so just like it did right there. If the price manipulate this low and mitigate the range once again, and if it doesn't show that it doesn't want to continue to the downside, we may see a good trade to the upside and a possible continuation to the upside. All right, same thing. I always take the same trade over and over again. Sorry, guys. Okay, but overall, if the price keep going down just like it has been doing it, and mitigate this line right there, that's the that's the higher time frame, 50% of that swings. Okay, so if the price mitigate that line, it's gonna be rebalancing the whole bullish structure the price has been showing for the past what 6 weeks. I'm not sure, but after a price mitigate that right there, I'm gonna be avoiding executing sales in general. I'm gonna be focusing more on buys depending what's the price action. The price is gonna mitigate that 50% to then keep going up right after, or it may just keep going down like that. But for now, I think I'm gonna be avoiding the sales and I'm gonna try to be executing buys because the price would be too low. And when the price is low, I take buys. I'm taking sales like crazy because the price is high. And I take buys against the sales because it's mitigating ranges that created a break of structure. And from those ranges, we may see reactions. Just like this one right here, there was a reaction. That one created a buzz. This one here, we see the reaction right here. So yeah, guys, I expect the same thing happening down here. That's why I would be taking buys. But sells are not really that good like the buys anymore because like sells are good, but they are not that good anymore. So, but that's a problem for next week, depending on the price does. So yeah, guys. Oh, of course, if the price goes down here, as I said, we're gonna be taking buys in general. So this is my pre-analysis, guys. Thank you for being here. Let me mention that I don't trade on Fridays anymore, so this is just me completing my pre-analysis of the week. And if you trade on Friday, I bet a lot of you guys do. I wish you luck, and hopefully what I just explained is gonna help you somehow. Thank you for being here, and have a good one. Take care.